Hello everyone, so for the last day of my European trip in 2018, I'm staying at the ibis, London Heathrow Airport. I've been given room 445 on the 4th floor. So let's go ahead and get the room tour started. The hotel is currently undergoing some renovations in certain parts to refreshen the image, so that's why you hear some noise when I was outside. But that is the floor plan. The AC unit is above. Light switches. And to the left is the bathroom with the toilet, sink, mirror, hello, and the shower area. That is the view that you get as you enter the room. Another mirror. Obviously the bed with the bedside tables and lights. Flat screen Philips TV with a bit of storage below. Shelves right there. Extra pillows and place to hang your clothes and whatnot. Pantry area. Desk. And sort of like a sofa / place to put your stuff on. And the view that I get is of the car park below. The car that I have is somewhere down there. You can't actually see it, but it is down there. And sorry for the darkness. I arrived, actually, I think it is only about 4:45 p.m. Yeah, it is 4:44, but it is already dark outside. That's what you get during winter, or rather, yeah, winter. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 445 at the ibis, London Heathrow Airport. Thanks for watching and goodbye.